On occasion, you may need to change your cellular radio. To do this, follow these steps. Select System Settings and enter your current master code. From the menu screen, select Cell Radio Swap. On the following screen, press the red Begin button. Once you are in the cellular radio swap mode, you can begin swapping the cellular radios. To do this, locate the cellular radio cover on the left side of the panel. Push the small tab on the lower left side away from the panel. Once you have opened the panel, locate the large white Pull tab on the cellular radio and pull it straight out away from the panel. Replace it with your new cellular radio unit and replace the side cellular cover. Then press the blue Done button on the screen to complete the cellular radio swap.